Hi everyone and welcome. We're going to be doing a bubble test or a suds test or a lather test of 3 of my recent soaps. Let's start with the Juniper Berry Scrub Bar. This is a big 8+ ounce bar. As you can see, it's pretty hefty. Oh, it smells fantastic. That juniper berry is just fantastic. It's got a nice feel to it. I really like that. And the bottom, the darker part, is actually the cedar needle. So it gives a nice exfoliation as well. I did this because, well, I just dropped it. I did that so that the whole bar wasn't a rough exfoliating soap. You could use it just like any other soap, but the bottom part for scrubbing the bottoms of the feet or calluses or anything like that, this really gives fantastic exfoliation. It smells wonderful. It's got a nice suds to it. It really feels wonderful, and that fragrance is just delicious. This is the Avocado Deluxe. And this one just feels, it has a sort of a creamy, silky consistency. That avocado really does give just a delicious feel. It's very, very creamy. It feels lovely on the skin. It really, really does. I really enjoy avocado soap. And it's one of my favorites to make, and it's one of my favorites to use. Just terrific. Yes, I really like that one very much. Let me rinse my hands off here a bit. Go, let me get the other one here. And the final one, the reason I wanted to do that rinse, is the final one we're going to do is this is the Coconut Decadence. And I wanted you to just get a pure test of it because this is the one made with fresh coconut milk, coconut pulp, and coconut oil. And it is bubblicious. This one is just terrific. Some nice big bubbles. Very bubbly. This one would be, this is why I grind this up, my coconut soap, and put it in my bath salts to give a little bit of bubble, because the pure coconut is just wonderful. Gives you this real nice white fluffy lather, which people just seem to adore, and I understand it. I do too. Do I believe that lather cleans you better than any other? No, I don't think lather has anything to do with cleansing. Now, while it doesn't cleanse, the one thing that it does do is lift the dirt up off of the skin, but the lather itself doesn't cleanse. But that's a story perhaps for another time. But I'm really pleased with how all these turned out. By the way, for the next 2 days, I have a 20% off sale in the Soapy Oak store. Just trying to reduce the stock, get fresh stuff out there. So for a limited time, 20% off. There is a minimum $45 purchase, but when you take the 20% off that. That's $9 off. That takes you down to 30, whatever it is, 30 something dollars. Plus you get free shipping. So you're actually getting like you can get several items for free. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Had a lot of fun, as always, demonstrating the bars and showing you what they do. These are some of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed it. And I have a soap video, which I'll be editing tonight and uploading tomorrow as well. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you back soon. Goodbye.